Mga magba-back to school. Need new notebook, need new ng bag. Pues, we have that for you guys. Oo. Yung tipong di mo alam if may inspire ka ba or maiinis kung makita mo yung cover ng notebook. We got that. We got you guys, we got you. That's the answer, Beanie merch. Yung tipong nagmamath ka na nga, ang hirap na kasi there's so many numbers and problems. Puro problema na lang pumapasok. Tapos pag close mo sa notebook, akala mo tapos na yung problema mo. Joke, may beanie pa pala. But, did I say it's a bad problem? It's a good problem. Kasi, it will always make you think about Beanie. And, we are always running on your mind. Because nasa notebook kami. AKA, notebook nyo, if nabibing mo. That's a good problem, I would say. Us always running on your mind. You're always on my mind. Diba?